Abraham begat Isaac. Isaac begat Jacob. It was a history Mary knew well, as generation after generation of her ancestors waited for the promised one. They waited and waited and waited. Little did Mary know, the long wait would end in her arms. And yet, here, hope was. Hope had life. It had a voice. It grew, and into the world hope walked. There was a thirsty woman at a well. To the people in her community, her life was barely a drop in the bucket. Then hope looked her in the eyes and offered her a drink. The disciples saw firsthand all that hope could do. And yet, Peter doubted the next step, and it got him wet. Hope was there to pick him up, this time and every time. Mary and Martha met hope with sorrow. If hope had come sooner, surely their brother Lazarus would still be alive. Together, they cried. Then hope spoke, and Lazarus walked out, and their tears turned to celebration. Where others saw hope, Saul saw a threat. He traveled the earth to stamp out the hope in others. But hope illuminated Paul's darkness and shone forth across the world. Across every new generation, hope calls us to the water, to come and wash in its healing stream, to new life, in service to a new kingdom.